The 21st century is rewriting the rules of global power. Forget armies, forget traditional oil dominance. Today, the nations who control data, artificial intelligence, and energy infrastructure are the ones defining global influence. The United States, China, and Gulf countries are all racing, but each has a different strategy. And the stakes, nothing less than the next global order. For decades, global dominance meant military might and manufacturing capacity. Now, power lies in cutting-edge semiconductors, massive data centers, AI research labs, stable energy systems. The U.S. leads in AI development and chip design, but relies on global supply chains. China dominates manufacturing, infrastructure, and data control, but lags in some AI hardware innovation. Meanwhile, the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC countries, are leveraging energy wealth to invest in AI data centers and global research partnerships. This is a tripartite struggle for influence over the 21st century's most critical resources. Data is now the strategic resource that defines global leverage. The U.S. hosts leading hyperscale cloud providers and AI companies. China controls national-level internet platforms, surveillance infrastructure, and massive domestic data pools. GCC countries are investing billions in data sovereignty initiatives, hyperscale data centers, and AI research hubs to attract global investment. Control over data flows is now as crucial as controlling oil pipelines were in the 20th century. Whoever dominates global data routes controls not only commerce, but innovation standards. AI amplifies power exponentially in the U.S. AI is integrated into military systems, finance, healthcare, and industrial automation. China is deploying AI to boost surveillance, logistics, and industrial output. GCC nations are funding smart cities, AI labs, and research partnerships, positioning themselves as regional tech hubs. A is the ultimate force multiplier, but it needs energy and infrastructure to scale. AI's hunger for electricity brings energy back to the center of geopolitics. The U.S. has diversified energy sources, but is facing rising demand for clean, reliable power. China is rapidly expanding renewables while balancing massive coal-based grids. GCC countries are leveraging oil, gas, and solar to create AI-ready infrastructure. Energy-rich Gulf states are no longer just commodity exporters. They are strategic enablers for the AI revolution. New partnerships are forming, US-GC collaboration in AI and energy projects, China-FACEC infrastructure and data investments under the Belt and Road Initiative, GCC countries hosting AI summits, clean energy projects, and global research centers to attract tech investment. The GCC is effectively becoming a bridge between the U.S. and China, using capital, energy, and strategic geography to wield influence in the global AI and tech race. The new battleground is infrastructure, semiconductor fabs, AI supercomputers, data centers, energy grids. The countries that integrate universities plus venture capital plus energy security plus advanced manufacturing will set global standards. GCC nations are building these ecosystems to position themselves as indispensable partners for both the U.S. and China. The U.S.-China rivalry is no longer just trade wars or military posturing. It's a race for data control, AI dominance, energy-backed computing power. The GCC sits at the crossroads of this new global order, leveraging energy wealth to invest in the infrastructure that powers tomorrow's innovation. In the 21st century, power will belong to those who can build, control, and sustain the systems of intelligence. And the nations that succeed will reshape global geopolitics for decades to come. Thanks for watching. This is James, and you're watching Global Economy Explained, where we break down the forces shaping the future of global power. If you found this valuable, subscribe and join the conversation, because the world is changing and understanding it is power.